If you've been following along, you may remember that we've been doing a bit of a budget makeover with just paint and styling for Jesse's sister's house. Today we're back and we're doing the kitchen, so stay tuned for the reveal. First we are sanding and patching any imperfections. We then gave the walls a wipe down and taped up any areas we didn't want paint getting on. We are using the EASYCOAT All Walls paint in this gorgeous neutral colour called Martini. We wanted a colour that would complement the cream cabinetry and brighten up the whole space. We start by cutting in and now it's time to roll. This paint goes on so easy and we love how quickly it dries. We are painting the dated brown trims with the EASYCOAT Doors and Trim paint. We love that this can be tinted, so we are painting the trims the same colour as the walls. Now for my favourite part, the styling. We painted all of this area in one day, which meant we could move everything back in the following morning. Now check out this stunning before and after. We have gone from a dated bluey grey colour to fresh and neutral. EASYCOAT All Walls can also be used in wet areas, so it's great for the kitchen. It really is amazing what a transformation just paint and styling can do in one weekend.